right now you guys are treating me like a criminal.
No.
Yes, you are. I haven't pointed a gun at anybody.
Since you did.
Then why am I in cuffs?
Just relax. Did you smoke weed today?
No, I didn't.
Okay, I can smell.
I don't know, dude. Now you're trying to fish, and now
I can smell alcohol.
The incident began with a man walking to a fishing location openly carrying a firearm as permitted by Florida law. Florida Statute 790.25 Section 3 subsection H states, a person engaged in fishing, camping, or lawful hunting, or going to or returning from such an expedition may openly carry a firearm. Despite this clear provision, officers stopped him, immediately treating him as a suspect and demanding he drop his fishing rod and disarm. Although calm, he insisted on his rights, pointing out the relevant law multiple times.
Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's
real?
Absolutely.
No, those are real.
Absolutely.
Okay, drop your fishing rod.
Hold on. Under Florida State statute.
Drop your fishing rod.
We're gonna make sure we're safe.
We're gonna make sure we're safe.
We are safe. Hold on. You can't. I just
relax.
Hold on.
We're not saying you can't have them.
Hold on.
There's no open carry law.
There is.
There is no open.
Under Florida statute. Hey, excuse me, sir.
Just relax.
Sir, if you want to look at my backpack right now, there's the Florida statutes in my backpack.
Then you can open carry with
Yes.
AR-15?
Yes, sir.
There is?
Yes.
Okay.
Absolutely.
I want to see the Florida State law for that.
Hey, can you reach in my bag? Huh?
Not with a small gun.
Small and large, it doesn't matter. While I'm engaged in fishing, hunting, and camping, going to and from such an event,
Really?
under Florida State Statute 790.25, Section 3, subsection H, it is completely lawful for me to do this.
To walk on the sidewalk with AR-15
I can walk, going where I'm going to go fishing, yes, absolutely.
Okay, with a rifle. With
Absolutely, it doesn't matter. Right now, you guys are treating me like a criminal.
No.
Yes, you are.
We're just trying to find out what's going on.
Well, you can take the. I haven't been aggressive.
Nobody says you have.
All right.
Well, then what are the cuffs for?
Right now you're just
What are the cuffs for? What are the cuffs for?
You have an arm.
safety.
I'm not. I haven't pointed a gun at anybody.
Nobody says you did.
Then why am I in cuffs?
Just relax.
The officers escalated the situation by placing the man in handcuffs without articulating any illegal act he committed. Under Florida law, officers may detain individuals only when there is reasonable suspicion of a crime. As upheld in Terry v. Ohio, the man firmly asserted his Fourth Amendment right against illegal searches and seizures, refusing to consent to any search of his belongings. Despite his compliance, officers began removing his equipment and weapons, claiming safety concerns without evidence of any threat.
For safety.
Okay. Where do you want to go?
I don't want to walk anywhere. I want to stand right here.
Okay, all right.
I do not.
Come on.
No, because you have
Are they loaded?
The AR is not. My handgun is.
Okay.
And I do not consent. I am going to go ahead and my first, my second, my fourth, and my fifth.
You have a CCW permit?
I'm not concealing a weapon, even if I was. The statute allows me to carry
To open carry.
Absolutely. Or if I wanted, while I'm fishing, hunting, and camping, I can
carry a firearm, a sidearm,
a side and long gun.
Oh,
It
yeah?
doesn't matter.
Okay.
You can carry a hunting gun, but
No,
not
it's a hunting gun.
Okay.
Yeah, but not the pistol.
It doesn't matter.
It does.
While you're in this,
Okay.
Okay.
we're gonna
double check.
Everybody's gonna learn a good, valuable lesson
So
today.
Okay.
Well, that would be great. We would love to hear that.
Hey,
So
are
we're
you gonna
take off-
apologize? No,
We're gonna
I
take
do
off
not
your
consent.
backpack?
I do not consent to any search or seizures of my property.
Okay, well, you don't really have that option right now, okay?
Why don't you guys look into the statute before
you said it was
start?
in your backpack, wasn't it?
Yeah, so
want
you
me
can
to
look
get
in.
it,
You can look into
So
my
where is
backpack.
it?
In the
Which pocket?
top bag.
Top bag? Okay.
Top zipper. There's a little pamphlet, and there's also the entire Florida State statutes on the
I'm gonna
790
remove this
statute.
bait stuff, okay? Because it's
Be careful, my social security card and stuff is in there.
in that little bag.
And like I said,
Okay.
I am preaching my Fourth Amendment right now.
That's fine.
And you cannot. I'm allowing. Yes.
What's the Fourth Amendment?
Illegal search and seizures.
Okay.
Okay.
Fifth Amendment. That's me talking. My second is my gun.
Right.
And my first is me recording you
Do you
guys.
have an ID in here, sir?
No, I do not.
Are you just your social security number?
Just look at the Florida statute, and we can go ahead and move forward from
You
this.
don't have an ID.
I don't know if I have an ID on me.
Okay.
Normally, I don't carry it because I'm not doing anything illegal.
If you know the statute,
I do.
Florida, you're supposed to carry
You
ID.
do not. If I'm
Yes,
doing
you
something,
do.
if I'm doing something illegal, yes, I have to provide that.
That's not true.
It is 100% true.
Anytime law enforcement starts out, you have to
It
provide
is.
application.
You know something?
Okay. We'll go over it.
Yeah, we're gonna go over it. I would like
a lawyer.
I do.
Okay.
Can I call? Actually, can I call my lawyer right
Not
now?
right now. As soon as we finish this first.
I would like to call my lawyer.
You can call your lawyer after.
After what? Right now, I'm trying to
Right now
call
you're
my.
being detained.
For what?
Because we already explained to you.
For what? What
Because you're
have I
openly
done
carrying a
illegal?
firearm.
That is not illegal.
Okay.
So right
You
now,
ever see any other people walk around with a gun open in the
yes,
state of Florida?
yes, I have.
On their side, open like you carry?
yes, absolutely.
Really?
Yes.
When?
Let's see, June 24th.
Yeah. How many people? How many people?
There were seven people on June 24th. There was over 40 people at Miami Beach on October 28th.
Yeah, on the beach carrying an open gun.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
I can show you videos of
Okay.
it. If you want to look at your phone, you can.
We'll
You can
double
look.
check. We'll double check.
It's so
And
funny.
if I'm wrong, I'll apologize. To
Yeah,
you.
and I promise,
Okay. Yeah.
you will get a call. And
Okay.
I actually open carry right over here by your substation.
Okay.
Day in and day out, dude.
Okay.
It's so funny like that, and it's so funny that you guys don't know your laws.
Okay.
Did you know the same Florida statute I'm talking about allows you to open carry your statute? I think it's under L.
Why do we have a CCW? Why do we have carry concealed permit?
Because that was adopted. That was adopted in 1987.
So why do we have a CCW then?
That's only
Carry and conceal in the state of Florida.
that's if I
Which
want to
means
conceal
you
it.
can't open.
If I want to
They
conceal.
wouldn't have that law then.
But they also have another different law
Okay.
that clearly states the same reason you get to open carry your firearm.
No, because we're law enforcement, sir.
No, I know, and that's in the statute.
Okay.
It's
right.
in the statute.
Not
If-
for citizens.
I'm gonna as soon as I get out of these handcuffs, I'm gonna show you the Florida
Okay,
statute
I'll look
that
it up.
after I got my CCW.
Okay.
They handed me a pamphlet with the 790 statutes.
So you get your CCW to carry. So you get your CCW to carry concealed, but
Absolutely.
you're able to carry your gun open.
While I'm engaged in fishing,
Okay.
hunting, and camping.
Okay. Well, right now
I would like to get
right
your
now you're- right now
supervisor
you're
out
in front
here.
of a park.
It doesn't matter. It's a,
Oh, it doesn't matter?
No, absolutely not.
Well, you're
City
you're not
and
fishing.
I was look
not
right over there.
hunting. Yeah.
I'm going to show you video, and I've got video of me fishing from this part
Okay.
all the way down to Veterans Memorial
You live in
Park.
Port St. Lucie?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Did you smoke weed today?
No, I didn't.
Okay, I can smell.
I don't know,
Okay.
dude. Now you're trying to fish, and
No,
now
I'm just
you're
I can smell
fishing.
it. Okay.
Dude, I haven't touched marijuana, nothing, dude.
Okay.
And I can't believe you just try to insinuate that I've been.
I can smell something. It smells like
Dude,
marijuana.
I can smell alcohol.
Oh,
something.
God, you guys are killing me with your freaking insinuations and
Okay.
shit.
Did you find the law? What was this? Let me see. What was the state statute again?
790.25, section 3.
790.25?
Yes, and then the open carry statute is 790.053, and it does say it is not allowed. But when you look at the
Oh,
790,
it says it's not allowed.
hold on, but
Now there's another statute. Okay, go ahead.
you have
While detained, the man repeatedly explained the specifics of the law to officers who appeared unfamiliar with it. Florida Statute 790.053 generally prohibits open carry, but exempts individuals engaged in activities such as fishing, as upheld under 790.25. He cited these laws, even offering a printed copy from his backpack, which officers reluctantly reviewed. His deep knowledge of the statutes left the officers fumbling for justification, as their claims were systematically refuted.
to read the statutes.
Okay.
sir. Just like you have
So
to
which
read
one
the
says you're allowed? 7905.
7.25, section 3.
0.25 section 3.
Correct.
0.25 section 3.
Yeah.
Subsection H.
Subsection H.
And then if you look further down, you'll see L or M, and that's the one that actually allows you to open carry your firearm.
What was that again? We're not allowed to what?
I said that's the law that allows you to carry your firearm.
Oh.
Section L or M. It's one of the two.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going to be honest with you. I'm looking at this stuff that you have, okay?
Yep.
And I'm reading it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it unfortunately ends right at the part where it discusses where you can have firearms. So is there something in here?
It doesn't any firearm. It doesn't statute AR.
In here, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Where-
790.25 section 3
But look,
subsection.
I'm telling
You have
I
to
don't see it.
you have to scroll through there. The whole statute's there, ma'am. The
You
whole
don't have
booklet.
it open to this because you're trying to make a statement?
No, I have it because I have to try to show law enforcement that they're wrong.
758. Can you 10-9 that? So you do this often?
Yes.
And you come into contact with
I've
this
got
often?
40 videos on YouTube of me going across the state of Florida doing this.
Well, how about with law enforcement?
Yes,
Have you been stopped?
Miami Beach Police Department is getting sued right now.
Okay.
So yes, because I'm being
For open
detained.
carry.
Correct.
Okay.
And they are being sued because it is a lawful activity while engaged in fishing, hunting, camping, going to from such an event.
Where were you heading, Michael?
I was going to that pond right over there, just past Wingate, on the right-hand side of the road. I was going to cross at the crosswalk, walk down the public easement to that little pond.
You said,
And
So, sir,
I'm not trying to fight you, but
I know, which subsection?
H.
10-4, thank you.
Turn to the next page.
H?
so
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
going to go fishing at that point. You're going to shoot. You're going to shoot.
I'm not going to
fish
shoot
with
anything.
AR-15?
This is my protection for me against anybody that tries to do harm to me.
Oh, so now you're not using the gun.
it
You're not
just
using this for
ends.
fishing.
It doesn't. It tells you.
Okay, so H, a person engaged
Yes,
in
and
fishing,
look-
camping,
look
or
at L.
returning from. Okay.
L or M.
L. Okay.
The one turtle.
One of them's for police officers.
It says fully securely encased. Okay, so these aren't securely encased.
They are.
So then, which
It's
was the
slung.
next subsection that you wanted me to look at?
Right now, I'm
Dude,
trying.
I'm trying to help you out, but you're
Look
not
at your
helping me.
sections. Like, look through them because you guys should know these.
Okay, so you don't know.
I do know. Section.
wait.
What the
So far
part
you
doesn't.
said it's in your
While
backpack.
engaged in
Look
fishing.
At this. Yeah, it says while engaged in fishing.
Okay, what's the
and then it
beginning
ends.
part? What's the beginning part
That's the
say?
end of the sentence.
Lawful uses, the provisions of
Yeah.
sub 79.053 and .06. Go to those two statutes, and one's going to be
You're
about.
gonna make me do a lot of work for this.
You guys should know the statute.
Okay, all right. So we're gonna put you in the back of my police car. We're gonna take off all your
No.
weapons in your backpack, okay? And then we'll research this. And then when we come to a conclusion, we'll let you go.
It's
okay?
not going to come off like that. The only
How's
way
it
to
gonna
get
come off?
it's going to come off over my shoulder with my
Okay.
backpack on.
Okay.
That's on the 241.
I would like to call my lawyer, please.
That's absolutely fine. I'll
Right
give you a
now.
chance to do that, Michael.
Right now. As soon as I get out of this, and you can let me friggin' call my lawyer.
Absolutely, not a problem.
10-4 clear to signal 12. No tag. No 1025.
No, I do not consent, sir. Do not consent. Do not consent.
48.
If you turn that off, there's gonna be serious repercussions.
Okay.
I do not consent to you removing my camera and turning it off.
Okay.
I do need
Did you hear me ask her to give me a 45 on the radio?
No, I haven't heard anything because I'm sitting over here with my firearms. They're unloading my firearms right now, which
Well, for our safety, I don't have a
I'm not
problem.
going to shoot. I'm not. Who was I? I wouldn't hurt nobody. But anyway,
We've never met you, sir.
you don't have to know who I am. As a law-abiding citizen,
You're going to be free to go on your way. Put
what was your name, sir?
Inside the backpack.
I understand. And I just want to let everybody know I'm Florida carry. These guys unlawfully
Great.
stopped me. They took my camera.
I'm all
turned
for
my other
carrying too.
camera.
As long as you're fishing, all right.
A senior officer eventually confirmed the man's understanding of the law, acknowledging that he had the legal right to carry both the rifle and handgun openly while heading to fish. Officers unloaded his firearms, citing safety, and returned them along with an apology. As the man reloaded his magazines on the roadside, he reflected on being treated like a criminal despite doing nothing unlawful.
Now this is me having to reload my gun because they decided they wanted to take all my bullets out. I'm on the side of the road friggin' reloading my friggin' magazines right now. Fucking douchebag.
The man emphasized the importance of educating law enforcement and holding them accountable when they overstep. Florida Statute 790.25 subsection H ensures citizens exercising their rights under specific exemptions are protected. He left the scene free to continue fishing, but not before asserting that such encounters highlight the need for better training and respect for constitutional rights within law enforcement. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.